Ever wondered how secure your cryptocurrency accounts really are? Well, even the giants in the field aren't immune to cyber threats. A prime example of this unfolded recently when Ripple co-founder and executive chairman Chris Larsen reported that some of his personal XRP accounts were compromised. This startling revelation came to light on a Wednesday, the 31st of January. Larsen took to a post on X to share the news, a response sparked by a post speculating that the Ripple network might have been hacked. According to a report by CoinDesk that same day, Larsen clarified, "Yesterday, there was unauthorized access to a few of my personal XRP accounts. We were quickly able to catch the problem and notify exchanges to freeze the affected addresses. Law enforcement is already involved." But let's rewind a bit. This all started on Tuesday, the 30th of January. Something seemed amiss. Unbeknownst to Larsen, hackers had gained unauthorized access to his personal XRP accounts. It wasn't until the following day that the issue was caught and swift action was taken. Exchanges were notified, affected addresses were frozen, and law enforcement got involved. So what does this tell us? It underscores the importance of vigilance and swift action when it comes to the security of our cryptocurrency accounts. No one, not even industry heavyweights, is immune to the threat of cyber attacks. But with quick detection and decisive action, the damage can be mitigated. In summary, Chris Larsen's personal XRP accounts were hacked. The problem was quickly identified and exchanges were notified to freeze the affected addresses. Law enforcement is now involved investigating this serious breach of security. This incident serves as a stark reminder to us all. Keep a close eye on your cryptocurrency accounts and act fast if something doesn't seem right.